Now we all know that real coding is about problem solving and unleashing the neuroscientific fireworks of the brain. But today, we're not here for that.
Why are we here?
We're here to learn how to impress our friends with some fake coding skills. That's right, folks, it's all smoke and mirrors today. With these tricks up your sleeve, you'll be the life of the party, the wizard of the web, the sorcerer of the software, and the enchantress or enchanter of the internet. So buckle up and let's dive right in. So now grab your computer, sit down, or lie on the couch, and let's create a program that showers your friends with compliments. That's right, folks, we're turning code into kindness. Watch as we conjure up a compliment generator out of thin air. Well, not exactly thin air, more like a few lines of code, but who's counting?
I'm on it!
First, we'll create a list of heartfelt compliments. Next, we'll write a function that randomly selects a compliment from this list. After that, we'll design a simple user interface that asks for your friend's name as input and displays the selected compliment. Now, all you need to do is invite your friend, have them enter their name, and have an evil laughter in your head. Watch their face light up with joy as they read the personalized compliment.
Somewhere deep down in my heart, I still love you.
And that's how you can bring a smile to your friend's face with fake coding skills. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time, bye-bye.